In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your iPhone notification sounds. So what you can do here is go to Settings and scroll down to where you see Sounds and Haptics. From this point, you can change the sounds and haptics for a lot of your notifications here. So we'll go into text tone and you could choose anyone that you want. This only works for the inbuilt apps that iPhone come with, but you can go into certain apps and change the notification sounds of those too. And to do that, you want to scroll all the way down to where you see apps, and I'm just going to type in Gmail for this example. Go into your notifications area here and then scroll all the way down. Make sure your sounds are tapped on and go down to your Gmail notification settings. What this is going to do is bring you down here, and so where it says email notifications, you can go ahead and go in there and change your notification sounds, and you'll get a lot of other options to change your notification sounds for this particular app. Now, it's not every single app, not every app offers this, so you'll have to go through and manually change the apps that you can do this with. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see